about 4 or 5 o'clock, instead of going straight back, I'm going to be at a slight angle, do a block. That blocking hand, catch and hang on to the attacker's arm or wrist. Use your back leg and perform a snap kick to the groin. As you put your weight down and land the foot, the same hand, there's a tiger mouth strike, jamming up through the upper throat with the inside of your hand. Huh! So a possible alternative for this technique is the attacker throw a fun hand strike, a jab, or just a fun hand, open hand strike. I'll still step back with the same foot, still catch. Now the kick remains the same, but I'm going to land on the inside, clear that hand. The tiger mouth will not have a straight path, but I'm still able to get the jaw and the chin on the way up. Slide your lead leg, your left leg, out to about 9 or 10 o'clock. At the same time, do an in-to-out block. Once you're there, catch the striking hand, quick strike to the face. With your right hand, which is hanging on to your partner's wrist, pull downward as you kick upward towards the body with the roundhouse. Another way to do this technique with a partner throwing a fun hand strike would be this method. I will still come out on the left side as I've been practicing. Perform the same block, catch, strike, and come up for a shorter roundhouse. You may end up striking with the shin, or you may get the knee in there, depending on his body position. But the first few movements remains the same. This head here serves as a balancing tool, while also extending the partner's body to make the ribs more open for the strike to be more effective.